I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by packing the bowl correctly and staging everything within reach. This prevents scrambling once coals arrive. Place the heat management device, HMD, on the bowl without coals first to confirm fit and seal. Once done, transfer one coal with tongs to check balance, then add the remaining coals in a triangular pattern for even heat distribution. Make sure vents align with your desired airflow. Small adjustments now avoid harshness later and improve. You mount the HMD onto the bowl and secure the lid so the seal is tight. A loose fit throws off heat control. Place coals on the outer rim first to warm the tobacco gradually, then move one toward the center if you need more heat. Once warmed, tweak intake vents to control airflow, open for stronger clouds, close partially for smoother flavor. Make sure to wait 3 to 5 minutes between adjustments so you can judge the result before changing anything. You now focus on maintenance. Rotate and reposition coals every 10 to 15 minutes to avoid hot spots and preserve flavor. If the session tastes harsh or you see blackened tobacco, immediately close vents slightly and lift one coal off the HMD for 30 to 60 seconds to reduce heat. This prevents burning. If smoke is weak, open vents incrementally and shift a coal inward or swap a spent coal for a fresh one. Troubleshooting tip: err on the side of less heat. You can always add more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.